Today is Native Women's Pay Day, which aims to bring attention to the wage gap between Native American women and their white male counterparts. A group of leaders in Native American communities met with California's first partner to share their progress, concerns, and what they believe can help bring about pay respect. Fox 40's Karma Dickerson reports.
Across America, women make about 83 cents for every dollar a man makes. However, for women of color, the disparity is even greater, with Native women earning as little as 50 cents per dollar paid to white male counterparts.
I don't think all people in leadership are bad people. I just think a lot of people are ignorant of the obstacles in the path towards women and communities of color, Native American communities in particular, achieving parity.
Tuesday, a group of Native women leaders met with First Partner of California, Jennifer Siebel Newsom, to discuss pay equity and other priorities, including education, health, and economic empowerment. The discussion was hosted by the Enterprise Rancheria Tribe, owners of the Hard Rock Hotel in Yuba County. Chairwoman Glenda Nelson says within their own operations, they do surveys to ensure female employees are being paid equitably.
We make sure to identify how we can empower them and how we can help them achieve.
She says part of achieving pay parity is making sure women know and advocate for their worth, even when taking on community-based or nonprofit roles that involve helping others.
Sometimes as women, we feel like we shouldn't get paid, like it's our duty to be those type of people. They don't have that self-worth about them, and they have to get over that. You know, we have to get better with it.
California is making some progress, having one of the lowest gender pay gaps in the country, and state laws pushing for parity and transparency. Still, women in the Golden State make about 88 cents for every dollar their male counterparts make.
We just have work to do to continue to educate the public, not only around their rights, but also their responsibility as employers to pay people equitably.
First Partner Newsom is encouraging private companies to sign on to the state's Equal Pay Pledge. So far, at least 60 companies have taken the pledge, which includes analyzing a company's payroll, looking for inequities and potential bias and barriers to equal pay. In Yuba County, Karma Dickerson, Fox 40 News.